Hello everyone, I'm Sonali and welcome to my channel Aesthetic World with Sonali. I got this candle making kit from Amazon. It is from the brand called Icala. Let's open and see what is there in this kit. The packaging of this kit is very good. It came in a very sturdy cardboard box. Firstly, there's a thermometer in this. I have made many candles but I have never used a thermometer to measure the temperature, so this is very useful for me. Next we have a packet of soy wax. Next we have a kettle wherein you can melt your wax in it. It does not have any marking as such, but it's good for beginners, I feel. Next it has some dried flowers. It also has wicks and a wick holder. It holds the wick in place, so this is very useful. We also have some fragrance oils and wick sticks. You can use this to stick your wicks in the candle. We have a vanilla fragrance, aqua fragrance, rose and some gardenia. We have some really cute containers wherein we can pour our wax and make some really beautiful candles. These containers are little small but very cute and very colorful and beautiful. You get 4 different containers with different patterns and different colors. We also have a spoon to stir the wax. There is one more packet of soy wax in this. In total we have 2 packets of soy wax. We also have a card which tells us how to make the candle step by step. Icala is a small business, a homemade business, so I think we should support them because this kit is so amazing and it is very friendly for beginners. I am so excited to use this kit and make some really amazing candles. A video will be coming very soon wherein I will show you how I make these candles, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, be creative, be kind. Bye.